Welcome. If you've ever wanted to clean up your Instagram Reels and remove specific videos by date, right from your PC, this video is for you. With Instagram's latest update, managing your content is easier than ever, and today I'll guide you step by step on how to delete your Reels by date using the web version of Instagram. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to Instagram.com. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on your main feed, look over to the left side of the screen. You'll see a menu with several options. Click on the one labeled Menu. From the menu, select your activity. This section is where Instagram keeps track of all your interactions and content. Once inside, look for the Photos and Videos category, and under that, click on Reels. This will bring up all the Reels you've posted to your account. Now here's where the new update comes in handy. At the top of your Reels list, you'll see a button called Sort and Filter. Click on it, and a drop-down will appear. Choose the date range you want to filter by. Maybe you want to clear out old Reels from last year, or just tidy up last month's uploads. After selecting your desired date, click Apply. Your Reels will now be filtered to show only those posted within the date range you chose. Next, click on the Select button. This allows you to pick multiple Reels at once. Go ahead and select all the Reels you want to delete. Once you've made your selections, look for the Delete option and click on it. Instagram will ask you to confirm that you really want to delete these Reels. Double-check your choices, and if you're sure, confirm the step. And that's it. You've successfully deleted your Reels by date right from your PC, keeping your Instagram profile neat and organized. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Thanks for watching.